If your OBS Studio is not recording audio, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. I was also facing the exact same problem, and when I finish this stop recording, then if I go to my videos here, I can just notice that the videos don't contain audio. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now what you need to do, you have to check for the mic or auxiliary here. So make sure the mic is just recording. As you can see here, the sounds just keep like increasing like this. So make sure this decibel levels keep increasing. This shows that your audio is actually working. Now if it's not working, make sure to do this. First, ensure that you have the display capture. If you don't have the display capture, it's very easy. You can just right click on the source here and then make sure to select add source and make sure to add display capture. Now also add the display capture. Now just come here to the audio mixer. Now on the audio mixer, if you don't have any of the audio mixer, especially the mic or auxiliary, this is the one which is very important, which this records your audio. Now if you don't have it, make sure also to right click again on the source here, add source, and make sure to just select here on the audio input capture. So also on the audio input capture, you can just click OK to add the mic or auxiliary. Also add this mic or auxiliary. Now make sure to do the settings here. Now select on the mic or auxiliary here. Just make sure to select it. Then make sure to go to properties. Now on the properties, make sure it says here properties for mic or auxiliary. Make sure the device it's selected is your mic. So you may find it is default. If it's set to default, ensure that you select the microphone that you're using on your PC. Now the microphone I'm using is this one that is shown here. So make sure to select the microphone, then click OK to save changes. Once you save changes, you'll find that the mic will start working. It will start recording audio on your OBS Studio. So let me know in the comment section that helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.